Okay, so this is not a doom and gloom video. This is not a FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt video. This is a video, really, quite frankly, to have a very frank discussion with you about some stuff that I see is coming rolling as we go into next week. Okay. And so these are things that you need to be aware of that are at play in crypto, because that's my goal. Real simply, sitting in this chair is trying to make sure that you have the information, you know what's going on, so you can do the right thing for yourself, your investments, and all of that. And I just realized I got a lot of blue going on here. Blue shirt, blue background. Yeah, it's blue right now. Okay. So here's the deal. I use this website all the time, cryptonews.net. And when I got over here, this is literally when I came here, what it does is this service aggregates or kind of combines crypto content from like 7 or 8 plus different sites. Okay. And what I saw here was like there is a video here. Look at this. This is literally I got here and I just clicked on this, and this is cryptonews.net. So I didn't even sort it. This is how the content started coming in. Silicon Valley bank failure could trigger run on US regional banks. Silicon Valley Bank's UK branch shut down by Bank of England. Regulators rush to sell SVB, which is Silicon Valley Bank, assets to make uninsured accounts partly available on Monday. Insolvency fears led many to turn to other stablecoins, sell USDC at a major discount. Silicon Valley Bank down, USDC pegged, FTX build, blah blah blah. It just kind of goes on. I mean, there was like 7 articles there, all kind of related to this banking scenario that is playing out. Here's the thing. It is entirely possible that we are going to see traditional banks start to go down. It's highly possible. We have had a perfect storm of bad happening now for a year plus, and I'm reading stuff I'm reading stuff about traditional banks, and there are some traditional banks and regional banks and just banks that are not in good shape. Okay. And SVB is kind of an example of one of the first of these proverbial dominoes to fall. Yes, there was partly there was some the Silicon Valley Bank, they were heavily invested in like securities and things like that. Didn't do a lot of traditional loans and all this kind of stuff. But the interesting thing about this is this could be kind of a domino effect that we see here. Now, this doesn't have anything to do with crypto. What I'm talking about, these run on regional banks and things like that, but it also kind of does. Because if you have people start to really make run on traditional banks and all these issues and start to come, it will impact people from the just true emotional level, right? And they will be fearful about doing any type of investing. Then they will pull their assets and start putting them under mattresses, as an example, right? I mean, and we kind of saw that a little bit in 2022 when the entire crypto market capitalization went down from 3 trillion to 700 billion and all that kind of stuff. So I'm just making you aware of this, okay? Am I telling you to do anything with this information? No, you just need to know that this is what's going on. We got a lot of things simmering here. This next week is going to be very tumultuous. A lot of volatilities are ahead of us. Crypto will move up and will move down. Crypto right now, as I'm recording this video, is kind of flat, not really doing a whole bunch. It's kind of waiting and see. Now, add on top of all that, we've got March 14 when we get the CPI, the Consumer Price Index report. We're going to get that on March 1-4. Okay. It's going to probably show that inflation is still hot. It's not cooling as much as everybody would want it to. And that's going to cause some turmoil, some volatility for crypto this coming week as well. Oh, by the way, we've also got March 21 and 22 when the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting goes down. And on March 22 is when we're going to find out what they're going to do about raising the rate. It's going to be at least 50 basis points, if not 75. Again, another tumultuous volatility, turmoil related event. We got a lot going on. Stay tuned. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button. Please drop a like. Tell the algorithm we're here. I will be here. But I'm just telling you, there's some waters coming. Have a plan. Just know your stuff. Be diversified, and just we're going to ride this out. But that's where we're at. So thanks for your support. As always, I'll see you. Have a good one. Bye.